Okay, today I'm going to show you how you can check your students' work on Typing Club so you have an idea of how to monitor their progress. First thing you need to do is you need to click on Typing Club, which would be on your Chrome browser. If you click on it, it should send you to this page. Now, as you can see, this page has a lot of lessons that your students can take, but this is a generic one. What I've done is I've created a more specific one that when your students log in will not show as many options. So once you click on Typing Club, the icon, you want to click on Login, and you want to click on the Google login right here. This will go into your Ahead Academy's account. All students have a Google account that they can use to check into Typing Club. And if they just click on Google, it'll automatically take them to where they have to go. There are two options for students and teachers. You want to go into school account, since I've created one for each one of your students under this school account. If you click on here, you will see, as a teacher, you will see information for your classes. I obviously have more options because I am an administrator, but as a teacher, you will see the information for your classroom. If you want to look at a particular class, you can click on classes. For this one, I am going to click on 5th grade C class, which is Mr. Leon's class. And when you click on that, after clicking on classes, you will see that it will give you information about your students. You can also manage your students from here. So if you look at this little link right here, where it says manage, here you can add or delete students from your class. I would not delete any students. You can add. Just be careful because we do have a limit of how many new students we can add based on the licenses we bought. And I believe there's only about 8 more that we can add. So just be careful on that. Make sure your rosters are complete before you add anybody. Okay, so now let's go back to looking at information. You can see that the 5th grade class has a lesson called Typing Basics Home Row, and it's B. This is a beginning level. Some of you will see 2 because some students are at the beginning level, some students are at the intermediate level, some of you might see 3 because some of them are at the advanced level. The difference is the threshold that the students have to reach in order to pass each lesson changes with the beginning, intermediate, or advanced. Once I click on Typing Basic Home Row, I'll be sent to this screen. You can see how the students are progressing. You can also export their scores so you can see everybody's work and how they're doing. What I'm going to check, or what I want to look, which is a really good way to just take a snapshot of how your students are doing, is click on the student progress up here. Once I click on that, it will take me to this screen. I can see how my students are doing. For example, if I look at Christian Barragan, he has not done any of the lessons. Maybe he has taken lessons, but on the free version, not on our school version, so he hasn't done anything. But if I look at somebody like Samantha Marquez, I can see that she has done 2 lessons, and I can see what she's done in each one of the lessons just by hovering over it. You can see this says lesson 1, the keys, the score, the accuracy, and the words per minute and how long it took her to do it. I can go to the next one just by going over it, and I can see that on the second one, same information with the score, the accuracy, and the words per minute, and she was able to pass it on the first try. Okay, what we want is students to be in the 4 to 5-star range. Remember that in the beginning lesson, the words per minute is 15 words per minute, that's the minimum, and that the accuracy has to be 80%. Anything below that, they cannot pass to the next lesson. Okay. Now, if you want to see exactly what your students did while they were typing, you can click on Scoreboard up here. Then you can do Attempt History. And once you click on Attempt History, you will see your students showing up and their attempts that they've done. If you want to see exactly how they were typing, you can go to one of these ones that has a little play, and if you click on it, watch what happens. You can see exactly how your students were typing when they were typing for that lesson. So if you see a student having a lot of difficulty, you can go back and look at how they were actually typing and get an idea of what letters they're having trouble with. Okay, and it tells you the actual words per minute. Okay. If you have any questions, please let me know. Thank you very much for watching this video.